birthday, boo.
Happy Valentine's Day, baby.
We'll make a special dessert together.
Always.
How about
No, I love baking with you.
How about some Buckeye Brownies? So we got our ingredients to prepare into them. Francisco got some Ultra Moist Deluxe Fudge Brownie Mix from Kroger. Peanut butter from Kroger.
And milk.
Because it calls for milk chocolate, but we decided we'll do kind of half and half with dark so it doesn't end up being too sweet. What size pan are you using?
13 by 9.
350. Stir brownie mix. Stir brownie mix. 1/4 cup water. Is that this? Did you get everything measured out already? Babe, that's so cute. What should I stir with? So this is the brownie mix.
And I think you mix up, put everything in there. Do you just do the water first?
No, 1/4 cup water, 2/3 cup vegetable oil. I assume that was vegetable oil. And 2 eggs. Maybe you should do the eggs.
That's probably about to die.
What? Eggs are so gross because you have to like pop the yolk. Look, I've whisked and they still haven't popped. That's so gross.
It's just surface tension.
You're not sensitive about eggs.
I know you are.
And then spread in a pan. Man, that makes brownies really easy.
Yeah, it does. How long do they bake for?
24 to 26 minutes. Step 2.
You gotta make the peanut butter part. So you're gonna melt.
In a medium mixing bowl, combine together the peanut butter, powdered sugar, and melted butter. 1 cup peanut butter. This is the only peanut butter we have.
Yeah.
This is what size?
1/4 cup.
We don't have a cup of these?
I got a cup in the pan there anyways. Boys!
We're trying to cook it here.
What are you doing? Yeah, get it full in there.
That's pretty full, don't you think?
Yeah.
1/4 cup. Oh, I eat some of this peanut butter. It looks so creamy and delicious.
I know, peanut butter's best.
God bless you.
Thank you.
We're cooking. You can't be sneezing in here. That's unsanitary. 2/4 cups. Did you get the 1 cup now?
Yeah.
After I've already invested so much effort.
We're gonna need it for the powdered sugar.
Man, boo, you do the peanut butter then.
Fine.
How much powdered sugar? 2 cups.
I got weird ass old commercial jingles stuck in my head.
Which one?
Band-Aid brand.
I am stuck on the Band-Aid brand because germs don't stick on me.
Yeah.
There's 1 cup.
Okay.
Only do half the powdered sugar.
Don't mind if it's not crazy sweet. Didn't hurt, I just caught weird. We'll do the full cup and then we'll... Didn't that happen to you last time? Didn't that exactly happen to you?
You're doing it too.
Do a little more than that. Okay.
Kobe. So now what? Just let it cool?
Yeah.
It doesn't even say to let the brownie cool.
We can put it on there.
I mean, if you think that's the smart thing to do, you're a better cook than I am.
Let it cool down a little bit because I don't want it to turn to like liquid. Distribute scoops of the peanut butter mixture on top of the brownie and flatten the mixture to achieve an even layer.
So we've just let the brownie cool a little bit so we didn't end up spreading on this.
You're supposed to pour it in like scoops, distribute it across the thing, and then spread them out.
Ow.
You want me a scooch for you? I'll do the scooch for you.
Honey, sing me a song.
You know I'm not a good singer, baby.
You don't have to be good.
You don't have to know any songs.
There's too much truth in that.
That's all truth. That's one of the more true things about me.
Yeah, you're really bad at it. I don't even know how you learned like the words to Happy Birthday or Jingle Bells.
I normally just fake it most of the time.
Usually there's other people singing, so you just kind of blend
make
in.
random mouth movements.
What if I only had a braid?
Yeah, what am I singing? I need more rubber spatulas. I'm gonna buy some rubber spatulas.
What color and how much?
Whatever goddamn color I want.
That's good. Now it says to refrigerate for 30 minutes. So we'll show you the final product later.
So this is the end result of all of our hard work. It's a layer of brownie and a layer of a peanut butter cream kind of thing, and a layer of some melted chocolate.
Even though it's been chilling for like, at least an hour or two, right?
I'd probably lean closer to like an hour and a half maybe.
It's not too cold or anything. It's almost like the perfect temperature, honestly.
Yeah.
Has some interesting textures, like a little bit of crunch of the brownie.
Yeah.
Not that soft. So I'm worried about this top part.
Getting too cold overnight.
Yeah,
I agree.
Cold. So, but we could always like microwave it or something. We're gonna eat it. But right now it's like the perfect temperature. Oh, it's really good.
Yay.
It's good.
I agree. That's good.
You like it?
I do like it.
Any comments on texture? Anything?
I do like how the brownie has some chew and some crunch to it.
Mm-hmm.
And there's a nice contrast to everything else. I don't like when desserts too just mushy.
I think it's good.
I agree. This is a winner.